I typically apply concealer to my cheeks, eyes, nose, all over.
It is quite tricky. It's a bit of a trial and error.
I just put a little bit here, how to say it, under my eye.
Right here.
NARS concealers can be used to correct discoloration or redness. It could also brighten under eye dark circles. To correct under eye darkness, you want to dot Radiant Creamy Concealer and then you're gonna blend it out. So it'll give you complete brightness under the eye without looking heavy or cakey. Just make sure you blend into the inner corner of the eye and up towards the eyebrow. Elizabeth has a little bit of redness and some texture on her skin, so the perfect concealer for her is going to be Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Straight from the pot onto my fingertips, I'm going to tap the product on and blend it in every direction, and the warmth of your fingertips will melt it into the skin.
I actually have this exact concealer in my purse right now, and it's so hard to find one that matches my tone, but this one nails it.
So if you need a little more coverage, you can go back and you can just layer it right on top, and it gives a beautiful fuller coverage without looking cakey, and it still diffuses any imperfections. Because you're a little lighter in the center and you're darker on the outer perimeter. So you want to make sure that you don't make yourself one color, because then the skin and the face looks very flat. You want to use two different concealers because sometimes you'll have two different tones in your skin. So on Georgia, I'm using Radiant Creamy Concealer to even out the skin tone. I'm going to start with the deeper tone in the inner corner of the eye. This will actually just balance out some of the blue. So now we'll go in with your lighter shade. Apply a few strokes and around the nose and on the cheek, and then we'll just blend that in. It's super hydrating, it doesn't look cakey, and you can take what's left over and just go right on the eyelid just to brighten that area up. So now when you look in the mirror, you can really see what the two different colors do to create dimension.
I feel brighter. I feel like it looks a lot closer to my skin shade, but I can see the difference in the light and the dark.
So Georgia, now you know 2 shades of concealer works best for you.
Thank you so much. I really love it.
For minor imperfections or for really small dark spots, you want to take a detailed concealer brush and you want to apply the products directly onto that spot. Tap it in gently with my finger. If you have any scarring, you can do the same thing. It's not going to completely get rid of the indentation, but it will brighten the area, so it will raise it ever so slightly. So you're just going to dot in the inner corner and along under the eye and just blend it in. And it gives a really nice lift to the eye. It gives a very subtle highlight. And then we'll just do a little bit here to brighten up around the mouth.